god, my computer is loud as fuck. I don't understand why it's so loud. But anyways, hey guys, welcome back to another vlog video. Good morning. What time is it? It is actually 8:54 on my tablet. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. So anyways, hey guys, welcome back to another vlog video. So this morning I am up because I am getting ready to go to my little niece honors day. So that'll be lovely. I actually have to hurry up though because we leave at I think 9:50 something. So yeah, I don't have long to get ready, and like don't mind the fact that I'm in this outfit. This is like the last outfit you guys saw me in. Like I decided to wear this yesterday, and I am admitting to you guys that I wore this yesterday, but whatever. Anyways, so I don't know what I want to wear because this is a honors day. I don't know. I know I need something to drink, okay? My mouth is like giving dry vibes. I just woke up. I'm like hella thirsty, so let's get something to drink first. I don't have long to get dressed, but shout out to Dollar Tree for the color changing cup. That's so cool. Just recording the back. I'm right here.
I love it.
Oh,
You're so sweet.
Yeah, it's yours.
It's yours.
Get it.
Wow. You got a big
Bill,
present.
I'll see you at the game. Bill, I'll see you at the game later.
All right, so you can take some pictures. Now, take some pictures. For Auntie.
guys, so it's like 2 hours later, and I just ate Subway. I forgot to film that, but it was so good. Actually, I think where's the bag? Oh, I need to throw it in the trash can. But y'all, when I tell y'all it was so freaking good, and she got me a cookie, but here's the proof. But anyways, y'all, so I'm actually about to throw that in the trash, and I want to take a walk really quickly. I go outside now. It's like ever since I've been on my spiritual journey, y'all, I just like to go out in nature, you know, talk to Mother Gaia, talk to the weather, talk to the sun. I've been connecting to my higher self and, you know, doing what I do. So I'm going to throw this in the trash can, and then I'm going to go outside for a walk.
Everything that you carry, any luggage you take, all the ghosts you keep in hiding, they don't scare me away. No, 'cause I can't stop falling in love with you. I won't stop falling in love with you. I can't stop falling in love with you.
I want to hug it, but y'all know I'm terrified of bugs. So I'm touching the tree, okay? I'm making some type of connection with the tree.
It's a past that keeps on calling, or if it keeps you awake. I won't let a scar keep me from your lips. I catch every tear from your face.
Y'all, so it is about to be 1 o'clock. So I'm about to go to sleep, and then I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good morning. trying to eat healthier. So yeah. So we are home now, and we just put up the groceries, and now I am about to wash the dishes, and then she said we may go to the mall and eat, but I don't know. So right now I need to wash the dishes, and then I'm gonna sit down and rest because I'm tired and it's hot. As you can see, I'm sweating, but yeah. Mozzarella sticks in the oven. I know I'm not supposed to eat cheese like that because I have high cholesterol, but sometimes I just like to be bad. I know it's really sad, honestly, but anyways, I only put like 4 or 5 of them in there, so hopefully it shouldn't do too much damage. Anyways, I'm gonna make my I'm gonna chop up my mangoes in a minute, but before I do, we are home. I already told y'all that. Yeah, I got done washing the dishes. And I need to charge my phone up because, you guys, it is dark. Let me turn this light off. Hold on. I don't know if y'all can see that, but look at that. It's dark. Wanna know why? Bad weather. We're getting bad weather. So yeah, bad weather. So I'm actually gonna charge this phone up, and then I will be back when I'm done chopping up my mangoes. It's the next day, 8:33 in the morning, and I don't know if y'all can see, but my fan is on, bro. Like, I hate when I leave my fan on. So yeah, it's not really, the weather's gonna be bad today, y'all, because we are having a, thunderstorm today, and I think tomorrow as well. So I'm hungry. I'm about to get up, wash my face, brush my teeth. I might eat first because I don't like to brush my teeth before I eat. Just everything is just gonna taste funny. And then I brush my teeth and get ready for the day. Morning, I like to have these like cozy moments where I'm in bed. I got my music, just light up my candle. And I got my tablet and my apple juice. And I'm just chilling, vibing out. This is my OOTD. Very athletic because I'm not really doing much today. So yeah. are my toast for my breakfast. If I'm not full, I'll just cut up a bowl of peaches and then I'll have that. But hopefully I get full off of this. This is the avocado one with the cream and cheese. And this is the banana and peanut butter and jelly toast. I feel like I'm gonna like this one more, but who knows. So I want to try this one first. And like, I know it looks crazy, but y'all, I never really made avocado toast, so don't judge me. I think I made some when I was younger, but like, yeah. But y'all know I got high cholesterol. The ones that know. And I've been trying to eat healthy ever since. Oh, so it's coming out. Oh my god. Like, let's not. Alright, so I'm gonna fold it and eat it like this. Okay. That's actually really good. I was not expecting that. I feel like the cream cheese did give it a lot of flavor though, but for the most part, it's good. And it's tasty. Y'all know I can't really use a lot of seasonings because of my high cholesterol. I did put a bit of pepper, and that was about it. Tell me in the comment down below what seasoning should I use with high cholesterol or with no salt in it. Alright, so hold on. Let me cleanse my palate so we can go to this toast. That was actually pretty good. I'm not mad at it. I can eat that. I really can eat that. I can see myself eating that. Now this toast I'm going to break apart as well because I have the bananas here, which, you know, I'll break this in half with the banana. I feel like I want to kind of smush the banana down a bit. Alright, let's try it. I knew I was gonna like this one better. I knew it. Okay. Yeah, I like the banana one better, but this takes the solid second place, the avocado toast, because it's actually really good too. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then I'll see you guys later. To end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today, and I also hope you guys enjoyed the new intro and outro because that's so dope. I like it. Let me know if you like it down in the comments down below. So yeah, I'm going to actually take a 10-minute nap because I'm actually really sleepy, and then after that I'm going to do my yoga, and then once I do my yoga and meditation, I'm going to work out. So that's what I have planned today so far. But anyways, I will see you guys in another oh my god, I will see you guys in another I'll see you guys in another vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.